Today's adventure, we're going on the Thunderhead, which is a wooden roller coaster located in Dollywood theme park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This roller coaster opened in April of 2004 and reaches a top speed of 55 miles per hour. Here's a look at the ride seat. There's no maximum height, but there is a 48-inch minimum height requirement to ride the Thunderhead roller coaster. You can see the Railroad and Lumber Company sign. As you come into the queue, you can see the launch point up here as you come by, and I sped up the footage, but that's how you'll initially launch. As we head up top to get on the roller coaster, I did want to let you know it has a 100-foot drop, and the total time of the ride is about 3 minutes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this ride on the Thunderhead roller coaster at Dollywood theme park. That's going to wrap up our ride on the Thunderhead roller coaster at Dollywood theme park. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever been on this ride? What did you think about it? Or if you're coming to Dollywood, is this one that you definitely want to try to ride? Let us know down in the comments. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.